Hey, what's up guys? Arian back with another video, and for the past 7 days I've been using Google's cell phone service called Project Fi. There are a couple really cool things that I want to talk to you guys about, so let's get to it. So for the past 7 days, I've been comparing Project Fi's network on the Nexus 5X to AT&T's network on the Nexus 6P, and overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the network's cell phone reliability and speed, considering Project Fi uses T-Mobile and Sprint's LTE networks. So let's talk about network reliability. Through my 7 days with Project Fi, I did notice that there were a few times where I found myself on a 3G network in some places where cell phone reception might be slightly below average, but that only lasted about 5 to 10 minutes, and I found myself on 4G LTE speeds shortly after. As far as call quality goes, voice was excellent, and I had no issues making or receiving phone calls. Text messages and picture messages also went through regardless of what speed I was receiving. So now let's talk about a couple of cool aspects of Project Fi that I found particularly interesting. And the first part is billing. Now my Project Fi plan includes $20 a month for unlimited talk and text to the United States, Canada, and Mexico. And I also pay $10 per gig of data that I use, and I signed up for 2 gigs of data. So my monthly bill is roughly $40 a month before tax. But the cool part about Project Fi is any unused data you have at the end of the month, Google pays you back for in terms of a credit towards your next month's bill. So let's say I only use 1 gig of data in 1 month. The next month, Google will give me $10 off my cell phone bill, which I think is pretty cool, especially for college students who are looking to save money. Now let's talk about, in my opinion, the coolest part about Project Fi, and that's its integration with Google Hangouts. So if you own an Apple product, you're probably pretty familiar with the concept of continuity. And what I mean by that is if you receive a text message on your iPhone, you can respond to it on your MacBook or your iPad. As an Android user, I've always been slightly jealous of this because there's no native continuity support through Google, only through third-party applications so far. But with Project Fi, you receive features very similar to continuity. And what I mean by that is if I receive a text message on my Project Fi phone number, I can respond to it with a tablet, a computer, or even another cell phone as long as it's signed into my Google Hangouts account. Besides these cool features, Project Fi works just like any other cell phone service, and it does its job very well. The only downside I can see is that it can't reach a large customer base, and that's simply because it's only compatible with the Nexus lineup of cell phones. So, with all things considered, let's go to Entei to get his rating over Project Fi. Alright guys, that's it for my review over Project Fi. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button down below. Besides that, you can like our Facebook page, add us on Snapchat, and even follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links will be in the description below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Boom! Tat out! See, I had it towards the end. I knew it. See, I had it towards the end. I said, you know what threw me off? I said overall one too many times. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said overall one too many times.